I mean, the lip kit looks pretty badass, if I do say so myself. I've gotten tons of compliments. You guys have asked me where I get it. The link is in the description on this video here in one of the top corners from our friends over at EV Base. Look, I've never been one to want a body kit on my car. I just haven't. But putting that lip kit on, I've definitely changed my mind. So much so I decided to get the matching side skirts. So this is going to be matte carbon fiber, just like my front lip. Let's unbox this and of course do a full install. I'll see you guys in a second. Out of the box, you're going to have 4 pieces. The side skirts are going to come in, your instructions, a packet of screws. Let's see what they look like. I mean, it's clean. It is clean. This is going to come in a matte carbon fiber, just like the front lip. I mean, it looks pretty good. There's no 3M tape. And you can see the little screw holes right here, which is how we're going to apply it or attach it to the car. And on the inside, it says Model 3L. So this is most likely going to be for the left-hand side. Before I get started, I have to take off my mud flaps, and I'm going to clean the bottom with some isopropyl alcohol because I did go ahead and apply 3M tape onto the side skirt just for added adhesion. Look, my OCD kicked in and I was like, look, I just want this thing to be on perfect because it's going to look so good. But yeah, let's get started. When it comes to putting on the side skirts, typically you want to put it on one at a time. So I'm going to apply the front and then the back, and then I'll screw them together in the middle once it's fully adhered. Alright, so I got my 3M tape. I'm done here. And now we just got to find the sweet spot. Front piece is good. Now to attach the back piece with 2 screws in the middle, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 screws to the body. Alright y'all, there's the side skirt fully installed on the passenger side. Really easy. Just takes me longer because I gotta record and all that jazz, but it looks so good. Let's go get the driver's side and check it all out. I can tell you right now, I think this looks amazing. EV Base, I don't know why I waited so long. Thank you for letting me see the light on this body kit. If you guys are interested in this, I will have a discount code M3Jazz to save you a little bit of money so you can upgrade your Tesla Model 3 as well. Anything from their site, not only this lip kit and side skirts, but it's highly recommended to stand out from all the other normal looking Teslas out there. So yeah, I think I'm going to get the rear diffuser at some point to complete the entire look. Like always, be blessed, take care, and thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.